So this little mini bike I got for free from my neighbor, and it was actually chopper style, but I don't like chopper style, so I chopped it and made it short, and I had the vision of being able to build something that would fit in the back of a Toyota Corolla. The handlebars pop off and they clamp down. It's kind of cool. The welds are really bad. I probably did them in the dark and in the woods. I've already mounted this engine and this mounting plate, which is super flimsy. So when I got this motor on, it would just flex the ever-living snot out of that plate. And I've pretty much put this together with stuff that's laying around. I smelled something burning while I was grinding. Turned the grinder off, looked around, then I looked down. I burned a hole in my shirt. But it was all on fire. I patted it out. Should have got it on video. But that's why I wear these old sweaters instead of nice things. So I don't have to worry about that stuff. I think this thing looks pretty cool. So I have my design traced out on the Kydex, and a good way to do straight lines is to just score it and break it. Okay, I just want everyone to get an idea of how hodgepodge this thing is. So random brakes, literally that brake caliper sort of pieced together with different cables, rotors, miscellaneous junk I had in the garage. The welds are terrible. I guess I could put fenders on it. Kind of like it without fenders. They're all scored up. They're just plastic bushings and springs. They're super ghetto. So I don't want to spend a lot of time on this project just because what I had to start with wasn't all that great. But I did want to make it look kind of cool, and I actually kind of like the looks of it. You know, there's no bushings in the springs. Spacers are a bunch of washers for the back axle, but they work. Yeah, baby.
That's that's staying in.
Don't have enough weight to keep the front down.
Uh-oh. Cutting the clip.